Hello Sudoku friends, welcome today new week. Yes, in today's newspaper on a Monday February the 13th 2023, we have only one regular puzzle, and it's a medium Sudoku. And in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. 2 tectonics we have here. The one with 4 stars and the one with 1 star. In Dutch they call it Saiva block. In Japanese, Suguru. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only half of them I will solve, otherwise it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. Well, what's the news of today? Well, a week ago there was an earthquake in Turkey and Syria, yeah. After 1 week, there are 33,000 deaths already. Yeah, one of the biggest earthquake in history. 7.8 magnitude. 33,000. Yes, 33K, and that number will be rising in the upcoming days. All right. Let me start with this Sudoku Medium. Sudoku Medium number 5953. 5953. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. I've noticed that the Medium Sudoku has always 26, sometimes 27. But when you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, and the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudokus in the additional, it will be a 2 stars puzzle. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see which number I can pick. How about a 9 in this row? 9 in the middle row. So the row between. The only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this 3rd column. No 9 there. 9 should be there. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2, 4, 7, 2, 4, 7, 2, 4, 7, 2, 4, 7, and look, we have a 2 and a 4 in the last row, so no 2 and a 4 in this box. 2 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4, so 1 digit left in this big square for number 7. Alright, okay. Then let me see. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in the last row. 4 the numbers, 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4. And the 5 is missing, 1 and 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 5 goes at there. 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 and a 4, we have a 2 now in this row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes at there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. We have a 6 in the last column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Alright. Okay. 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. 1, 7. Then 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and a 3. We have a 2 and a 3 in the first row, so no 2 and 3 in these 2 boxes. The 2 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 and 3. 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in the third column. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. Alright, 4 and 8. Then 1, 6, 5, 5. Well. 1, 8, and 6, 6. I'm thinking 4, 6, 7, 4, 6, 7. 2, 4. Come on. I'm thinking 4, 8. 4, 7, 3. Yeah. 2. 2. Still thinking. 6, 5. 3, 4. These 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 3, 5, 7. 3, 5, 7. Let me mark those. About these 3 missing numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1, 4, 8. 1, 4, 8. 1, 4, 8. 1, 4, 8. Okay. These are the 3 missing numbers in the first column. The 1, 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. The 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2, 6, 9. 2, 6, 9. 2, 6, 9. 2, 6, 9. 2, 6, 9. 1, 4, 8. 3, 5, 7. Alright. 1, 1. 6, 6, 6. 4, 4. Come on. Let me put some numbers. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, there are only 3 places left for the 5. Should be here, or there. You see here 5 in the third row, no 5 there. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Overlooked 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column between the middle column, there are only 2 places left for the 9. Should be here or there. You see here 9 in the second row, so no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the third row, 9 in the second row. So in the first row, there are only 2 places left for the 9. Should be here or there. You see here 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So the last column, there are only 2 places left for the 9. Should be here or there. You see here 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 2, 6, 9. 1, 4, 8. 3, 5, 7. So the 9, I need the 9 here. Here can it be a 9. In the middle row can it be a 9. So the only place left for the 9 should be here. 9, 9, 9. So the 2 and the 6 are left. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. The 6 goes there. 2, 2. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. Can I count? And all the Nines are used. I can see. Yeah, digit number one, 9. 6, 6, 6, 6. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the first row. No 6 in these two boxes. Here 6 in this column. No 6 in those 3 boxes. So the 6 in this big square could be here, could be there. 6 in the first row. 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the second row. So in the third row, there are only 3 places left for the 6 should be here, here, or there. We see here 6 in the last column. No 6 there. Here 6 in the column next. So no 6 there. The only place left for the 6 in this big square should be there. 6, 6 here. 6, 6, okay. 6, 7, and a 4. 6, 7, 4. 6, 7, 4, okay. Alright. 1, 1. No. 1 in this column, 1 in the last column, so the column between. The only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the third row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1, 1, that means in this column here. In this column, 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number in the middle column is the number 1. We have a 1 in this row, so no 1 there. Here can be a 1 because we have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. So the 1 in the middle column could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 1 in this row, so no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be here. In this big square, we have here 1, 4, 8, 3, 5, 7. 1, 4, 8. That means in one of these 3 boxes, I need a 1. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. Here 1 in that row, so no 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 should be there. So the other 2 numbers should be the 4 and the 8. Let me mark those, 4 and 8. Okay. 7, 7, 7, 1, 2, 9. I'm thinking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. 4, 5, 8. 4, 5, 8. Oh, yeah, 3 missing numbers in the last column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, 5 is missing, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 4, 5, 8. 4, 5, 8, 4, 5, 8, 4, 5, 8. And look, we have a 4 and a 5 in this third row, so no 4 and a 5 in this box. 4 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. So 1 digit left. Should be the 8. 4 and a 5, okay. 8, 8, 8, okay. 1, 2, 3, 5, 3, 5, 7, 3, 5, 7, 3, 5, 7, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 7, 2. Well. 2, 2. Come on. 5. Well, we need a 5 in this column. In this column, we need a 5. One of these 3 boxes, I need a 5. Here can be a 5 because we have a 5 in the third row, so no 5 there. So the 5 could be here, could be there. 5 in this column, 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. So the last column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 1 box left in the last column for number. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing. Okay. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. So that column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see our 4 in the first one, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and 7, 3 and 7. We have a 3 in the first row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes at there. We have a pair here. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 7 in this middle row, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Two missing numbers in this big square. For numbers the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, 7, and 8 is missing. The 3 and 8, 3 and 8. Alright. So here also the 3 and the 8 in the middle row. 3 and 8. We have an 8 in the third column. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 3 goes there. So one digit left in this big square for number 3. Two missing numbers, the 5 and the 7 are left. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Here 4 and an 8, okay. Here 2 and a 3. Two numbers are left in this row. For numbers 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 and 8, we have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. And all the ones are used, I can see. Digit number 2, number 1. How about all the 5s, and all the 5s are used, I can see. Digit number 3, number 5. Okay. 6 to 8, okay. Then. How about 7 in this row, 7 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 1 box left in this third row. We have a 3 here, so this box should be a 2 then. 1 box left in this big square for number 3. 7 in this column, 7 in the column. So the column next, the only place left for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used, I can see. Digit number 4, number 7. 6 and 2. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. The 4 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 and 8, we have a 4 now in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have an 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. Told you I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve a 2 stars puzzle. And we solve it again, and I like this one, yes, I will do. You think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in the evening with the other 4 puzzles in additional. So have a great and fantastic Monday. Yes. See you then. Bye bye for now.